What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another DLJWorks tutorial video. And in this video, this is an ongoing tutorial video to actually show you the simplicity of using JustHost as a hosting provider. And what I'm going to show you today is how JustHost easily allows you to forward your website email to your Gmail account. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, to begin with, for starters, most of the time, a lot of us have a lot easier access in using our Gmail accounts. I mean, for the most part, using our Google accounts for our email access is probably the preferred method. Even though it is good to have your own personal website email address, you want to keep that, but you want to have something that's easier to access, and JustHost allows that to happen seamlessly, without you having to do, too many back end technical stuff in order to make this work. So I'm going to actually show you that today. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go over here, okay, and we're going to go to forwarders. All right, now from here we're going to go ahead and we're going to create an email account forwarder. All right, go ahead and do so. All right, and the email address I'm going to forward this to is my own dljworks for you at gmail.com. All right, and then we're going to add the forwarder. And voila, it is that simple. This is going to be a short video after all. Now all we need to do is to double check to make sure that this works. Are you trying to build a custom WordPress website from scratch but don't know where to begin? Get digging into WordPress from that CSS tricks guy Chris Koya and his partner Jeff Starr. He's made it easy to understand for beginners and pros alike. It's color-coded, well-organized, and designed. So dig deep into WordPress. Check the link in the description. So right now I am on another email account that I've owned for DeShaunJohnson.com. All right, this is my DeShaunJohnson at gmail.com account. So now I'm going to simply compose, say to, all right, DeShaun Johnson at dljworks.com, and I'm going to put this is a test email. Now remember, we are checking to see if the forwarding switch has actually is actually working right now. That's simply what we're doing. We're not putting my Gmail account. That wouldn't make any sense. We need to double check to make sure that this is legitimate. Everything is working as it should. So now I'm going to put in the actual body. This is a test email, so we don't have any issues. Okay, then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click send. If all goes well, this should go to not only my DeShaun Johnson at dljworks.com account, which is here, okay, but it should also go to my DLJ Works for you. So let's send. Okay. All right, and now I'm going to log out of this. Let's sign in. And voila, as you can see here, the DeShaun Johnson, this is a test email, has successfully, all right, came up in here, and this looks safe, so because of the porting, so here we go. So just go ahead and click this looks safe, and as you can see, we have successfully forwarded our email without too much trouble. Now, that's going to be pretty much it. If you had any difficulty or this method is not working for you, please feel free to hit me up, DeShaun Johnson at dljworks.com or dljworks for you. That's the number 4 in the middle. Like, share, comment, subscribe at the bottom. That also, I'll respond to those in a timely fashion as fast as I can, and we will go from there. Thanks again for watching. dljworks.com. See y'all in the next video. God bless y'all. Before you leave, go to the description below, click that show more link to see and use all of the resources that I trust that makes DLJ works and can easily work for you.